All right, I have a pinched tire with an air leak there that I'm going to be using Gluetread Tire Repair Anywhere to fix. It says prep the surface, sand around damage area with some sandpaper. So there's no lettering or raised areas where the patch will be. Makes sense. Nice flat, grippy surface. Apply adhesive to the cut. Hold the cut edges back together. Allow 1 minute to cure. Once dried, lightly resand and remove excess dried adhesive. Let's start with those 2 steps and I'll circle back. All right, there is the cut. I have some like nipples and whatnot, so I'm just sanding away at those. Pretty straightforward. There it is, mostly finished sanding. I got rid of all the little manufacturer nipples right around the cut, and now I'll try and glue it together. Got the glue out with the little pipette to go on it, and I'm just going to glue inside of there per the instructions underneath this avulsion, so that and then hold it together. I'll show you when it's all done. All right, I put the glue into that hole. Just using some of the sandpaper that so I don't get it on my fingers, but just holding down for a minute is what it says. Don't use the back of the sandpaper because it got glued on there. So I'll have to sand that off. I think that's pretty good. It really looks like it's already sealed up, to be honest, but we'll put that big thick rubber patch on there with some more glue and hopefully it's done. Okay, so I measured the patch and did about 3/4 of an inch. It says half, but I did about 3/4 of an inch around the circular cut. Put a dot pattern glue on the back. Stop, use less adhesive, more is not better. And then press on the tire and hold it for 3 minutes. There's my dot pattern. Not the best dot pattern, but hopefully good enough. Immediately and carefully set the patch in place and apply pressure for 3 minutes. Ensure edges are fully adhered. Okay. Pressing hard on the patch for 3 minutes. Okay, held it down for 3 minutes. 3 minutes is a long time when you're trying to put firm pressure on a tire. Now it says allow 10 minutes to cure. Begin to air up the tire, checking for leaks. After 10 minutes, if a leak is found, remove air from the tire and add adhesive as needed. Repeat until the leaks are sealed. Inflate and ride. All right, I'll hit you back in 10 minutes. Test it out. All right, 10 minutes has passed. Let's throw some air in this. All right, there you go. 16 pounds. And I don't see or hear any leaks. I'll hit it with some Windex. Nothing bubbling. Nope. Nothing anywhere. Looks good. Tires holding air. Thank you, Gluetread.